So for data mining, it's exclusive using SAS Enterprise Miner. However, for SAS base, I'll probably suggest you take the credit risk management in SAS because I would say 70% of programming will be in SAS base and 20% just show you an example how to program in SAS Enterprise Miner. So if you don't have any experience in base SAS, I would suggest first to take the credit risk in SAS. And I will show you how to do data, how to merge tables, how to do data cleaning, how to build a model in SAS base.
And the software, it's in school?
Yes, in school, and I think you can ask them to install for you on your own laptop. Because I know my previous students, a lot of people ask them to install stuff for this. It's very convenient.
Do we have to bring our own laptops here?
Yeah, I guess so.
So, what are the classes? What days do you have? Is it on the weekend?
It's usually on the Friday night or weekends. Like, I haven't had a fixed date yet, but it's usually for on the weekends.
How much is the credit analyst, the credit risk management? How much is that course?
The standard rate, I'm not sure about this, but the standard rate is $30 per hour. So for the credit risk in SAS is $480. Because it's 16-hour course.
What, 16? I thought it was 60.
No, 16, 1/6.
And when we take the risk management course, so can you give us the reference?
Yeah, I have given reference to my previous students.
Oh.
Like, I don't know what kind of reference you want. Because
1 year experience for SAS or director, risk.
I can't say you have like, I cannot say, to be a valid reference, I cannot say you have 1 year experience in credit risk, but I can say like, you have a very good understanding of credit risk, and you know how to build a credit risk scorecard. Right? That's what I can say. Just be on the safe side.
To be successful in this in SAS programming, how important is the statistical knowledge and background of the individual? Is it really because to me it's when I don't know the models, how I can program data to be fit in this model. So what do you think about it?
So, yes, everybody can, like, why is there, because I know a student asked me some questions, why is there a SQL, which is already a database software, and SAS can also coexist? Because for me, because I'm from statistical background, I know how to build all the basic, all the meat, how to build a model. Okay, but for you, you don't know. You may have experience in SQL or Oracle, so database software. So for me, I need to like spend like a month to validate, to write a model building code in SQL. However, using SAS, just 1 line and 1 second, probably 1 minute. That's it. I can have the model as complex, as good, as complete as the 1 month's effort I put in writing SQL. So the SAS software is not a very complex programming language. It's just for people who just have very basic ideas, know what kind of model they want to build, and the software build it for you. Okay. You don't need to know what's inside the black box. SAS is a black box. You don't need to know inside. You just know you feed the black box with data you want, and it will give you a model. Okay.
And for SAS programming, if if you prepare a report or build a model, do you still need the actual SAS application, or it's give you for example, a report that you can use it whenever you want?
It's the second case. So as long as you have, because SAS is just an analysis package. It's analyze the data, build the relationship, it will give you a parameter. I think everybody here has certain knowledge of linear model, which is y equal to a plus bx. It's a line. It's a function for line, right? How to build it? SAS will tells you what's a equal to probably 1 and b equal to 2. Okay? You can implement whatever language you want. Right? So that's how SAS does things.
I'm just curious. I mean, for data mining, because I was working in business object data mining, and normally just in my understanding means put a lot of mass data, and based on this data, finally the result will be a formula. So is it the same meaning in this SAS modeling? And do you mind giving me a visual impression of what kind of just like previous one case or one or two case, for example, like healthcare industry and financial credit assessment industry, is give me two sample of the module, final result module. Is it possible? Just show me what this module means. Very visual format. Yeah.
So how will I do? Can you move this up?
Yeah.
So in the back office, let's say credit risk scorecard. Credit risk score. So if you apply a credit card, everybody will care that pull your credit bureau information. In that credit bureau information, it has all kinds of information you have. And they have all kinds of information you cannot even believe. They will get a hold on it. So on that information, what they're looking for your beacon score. So beacon score equal to 700, beacon score equal to 800. How they come up with this score?
This is output or input?
That's output.
Okay.
They have a credit scorecard. The credit scorecard will look like this. For example, we just have one input, male and female. If you are male, you get 700. If you're female, you get 800. Okay? How they come up with this score? It's using a model.
How does this model come from?
How the model come from is come from the logistic regression. Using massive data they have.
It's like SAS predefined module, or it's like after based on my data analysis and then I generate new module?
No, the standard model, they all use a standard model because it's just logistic regression. However, after they finish a logistic regression on the data, they can do the model massage to make it as a scorecard.
How dare they using the standard model? Because standard model is very standard. How dare they say this model going to apply to this case? I'm just wondering. I mean, sorry, my question maybe have some conceptually unclear, but just curious, say why say standard? Because once talking about standard, it means universal apply. But however, those cases supposed not universal apply.
No, it is universal.
Really?
For example, I built a credit scorecard on people here, and all these people are potential customers of mine. All are most likely to apply for credit scorecard. If I build a model on all those people in the room, I should have a very clear understanding what kind of people